I'm at the Knapp's narrow drawbridge, taking reference photographs of Chesapeake Bay working boats. It's a beautiful old bridge that separates Tilghman Island from the peninsula where St. Michael's, Maryland is. And all around the bridge area are examples of classic Chesapeake Bay working boats, shrimpers and trawlers and dead rises and scallop dredgers and oyster dredgers. And this bridge, which is much painted, is like the waist of a skinny woman between Tilghman Island and the mainland at St. Michael's, where it squeezes in, and everybody trying to get from one side to the other has to go over this bridge. And you can hear the bell ringing to warn the cars that the bridge is going up. And here it goes. You can see on the other side of the bridge some of the working boats, and all around there are marinas with fiberglass boats, but also some classic Chesapeake Bay style working boats as well, shrimpers and dead rises. These are classic older boats here, as you can see. These are the kind of boats that appeal to me as an artist. The water is a beautiful green, and here goes the bridge. Lots of crabbing, using crab pots, and also what are called trot lines, where they set out bait, long strings of bait, and literally pull up the long strings of bait with crabs hopefully hanging on to the bait at the end of a short string connected to the long string, and they grab them with their hands. This boat coming through right now is a dredger. You can see the mast that used to throw the dredger out behind the boat. Usually scallops and oysters, sometimes clams. This is a fiberglass boat, but it's built on the same style as a classic handmade dead rise. You can see the dredger on the back of the boat resting on the inspection table, where the catch is pulled up and thrown on the inspection table. Everything worth keeping is kept, and everything that's not worth keeping is simply thrown over the side. This boat is turning again, so we get a great look at the front and the back. And here's the natural resource people. So he's backing into a slip. He must have been out dredging earlier this morning. The end. Going down to the end of Tilghman Island now.